This is Tyler over at Ray Chevrolet in Fox Lake. Today I'll be going over the EV Blazer 2024, tell you some features about it. So this is actually the rear-wheel drive EV Blazer. You actually get around 324 miles. If you go with the all-wheel drive one, it's actually around 284 miles. First, we'll start off with the headlights. These are LED headlights, so nice and bright at night so you can see. This is the RS Model 2, so this is the higher model. There's an LT and an RS. The RS is above the LS. We'll head over to this side. So we actually do got black rims on here, which I do think looks pretty nice. Matches the color of the cars. You also do get black bow ties with this one. I'll open up the trunk too so you can see how much space you got back there. With the trunk, you do get a good amount of room. Both of these seats do go down just like this. And you usually just pull them back just like that. Put them back up to have seating back there. You do get floor mats with this one. Back here, you do get the charging port, which is right over here. Get a jack too. And we'll actually head over to the side so I can show you where the charging port is. The charging port's actually right up over here. All you have to do is just press this, and it'll come out. And all you gotta do is remove this. It's just to protect it from water or anything so it doesn't damage the port in there. Then I'll actually hop inside, show you some features inside. So this is the interior of our RS rear-wheel drive. One thing that I do find pretty cool is actually the sunroof on this thing. It is a panoramic one, so it's a full sunroof. It doesn't open for both sides. It would only open for this side right up here, but this does fully open. And one thing I did want to show you with opening this thing is you get this little thing up here, which protects from bugs flying in. I don't know if you had sunroofs before, but sometimes they don't have this and bugs can actually fly in and then hit you in the face, which is never good. Also move into the interior. So up over here, you do have a little storage compartment. Put anything down there and you get two USB Type-C ports right here. Right here is actually a wireless charger for your phone. So you just plop your phone right there. You can start charging it up. Interior, you actually do get a pretty deep compartment over here. Store a lot of stuff in there. You do get a full plug and another USB Type-C port. The seats are red and black, which I think do look pretty nice. This is all leather, then the seat is actually cloth too. The back is also cloth over here. You do get a 17-inch screen, pretty big. I wanted to show you drive modes again because I do think drive modes is pretty important. You do have snow and ice, good for the winter. Sport, if you like to drive fast, good for sport. And normal is just if you're driving normally. The one pedal step mode again, if you take your foot off the pedal, the car will actually start slowing down, which I think is a pretty cool feature, and it will save you on miles too because it actually recharges the battery. Over here you do have cold seats too, which I know a lot of cars don't have nowadays, which is pretty cool. So if it's super hot out and you want a little more air to the back, you can just put this on. That's how you turn on the cold seats. If you want to take one of these EV Blazers for a spin, just come over to Ray Chevrolet in Fox Lake and ask for Tyler.